his target. He was a bitch, so we park it. He wasn't here when I started. Why the fuck was you trying to eat on my market? I be making movies, all these niggas, they be painting their picture on marker. They know my heart getting darker, they know my heart getting darker.
Yeah, fuck you bitch, I don't even know you. You fucked around with me and I never knew what to do. Nope, hop on the train bitch, cause I'm... Yo, what is going on, guys? Maniacs. It's Maniacal J at Maniacal J Reacts, and today I'm going to be reacting to my boy Moxas-Ghost. He dropped it 2 weeks ago. I'm just really late because I have a long list and I've been busy. I now have 2 jobs I'm working on and 3 YouTube channels, so I'm kind of busy working on other channels and work at the same time. So it gets really intense. So hope you guys like this shit. Make sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends. Comment down below some other songs you want me to react to. Hit the notification bell so you're notified when I post videos. And hit the links in the description. The top link will be the link to this song so you can fuck with it on your own time. And yeah, let's get into it. It's Moxas and the song is called Ghost Town. Let's get it. It is a video.
Pull up to your hometown, turn it into a ghost town, yeah. Back in the day they were so loud, now they ain't making no sound, yeah. Everyone know I'm so profound, did it all on my own now. Now I got me my own sound, treat this shit like a showdown, yeah. Hey, on my way, do my thing, 4x chain, whipping range, never give a fuck about this little thing. Got us to the pussy nigga, you a lame. Pull up jeans, yeah, pull up skirt, ayy, dirt, ayy, put him in dirt, yeah. I give him the word, yeah. Then I used to read the comments, ayy. Now I cannot read the comments, ayy. Don't pay attention to drama, ayy. I'm only focused on comments, ayy. Take a shot at them in dark, got a little clip, I ain't talking darts, yeah. I got a target, hit him and really his target. He was a bitch, so we park it. He wasn't here when I started. Why the fuck was you trying to eat on my market? I be making movies, all these niggas, they be painting their picture on marker. They know my heart getting darker, they know my heart getting darker, yeah. I might pull up to your hometown, turn it into a ghost town, yeah. Back in the day they was so loud, now they ain't making no sound, yeah. Everyone know I'm so profound, did it all on my own now. Now I got me my own sound, treat this shit like a showdown, yeah. Hey, in my way, do my thing, 4x chain, whipping range, on my brain, Pano's dance, not my thing, at my show, with my gang, we go cray, we get laid, we get paid, we get money, we get paid, we get paid, yo.
Okay. Alright, I guess that's it. It was just a very, very, very quick song by Moxas called Ghost Town, and apparently it's about plane crashes and how they're very dangerous. I don't really understand what he was talking about, because it didn't seem like it was relating to plane crashes and how many people die in plane crashes. I'm very confused. But if you guys understand it, that's what you guys get. I don't get anything from it. I didn't really understand it. I might take a listen a few more times just to, understand what he was actually, getting to with the message. I might have to look at the lyrics. So yeah, guys, hope you guys like this. Make sure to like, subscribe, share it with friends. Comment down below some other songs you want me to react to. Hit the notification bell so you're notified when I post videos. And, peace!
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. If you don't back the fuck up off me, I'ma get ferocious. I told you once, don't make it twice, or I'll pull out my knife and slice you into a nice piece of merchandise. Corrode this. I'm coming up in